Hello everyone. Friends, as sometime before we have celebrated the success of our one of the humble and sincere intern, Priyanka. And now just I have some small interaction with her. Means I'm going to ask some her experience, which is a very valuable experience that she is also going to share to all of you. Because ultimately that experience will help you to get your success in future. So Priyanka, you have a wonderful journey in iForBest.
Yes.
You have a wonderful journey. But really it is very much memorable for me also.
Mine
Because
too, sir.
the way you have interacted every day, the training, the way you have passed, your sincerity, your flexibility, your adaptability. Means those all these skills are really nowadays is really a very big matter for the success. So guys, these all skills I have realized earlier that she already has. Now, I want that you please share your experience that how was your journey with iForBest? Means what expectation you had earlier once you came here, and then after that, regularly once you pass your time and day to day, month to month, then after that, what type of feelings come in your mind? And later on, ultimately, now once you completed your training, and then after that, today you are sitting with me and you are sharing your success story with me. So, what is your feeling right now? So, please, these all three phases experience you share with me that I want to listen now because I want to get that experience. And that things only I want to know from you also. So please share your experience.
First of all, I'm really feeling awesome. That's the one word I will say right now. And with the journey with iForBest is the best. Actually, when I came to iForBest for to know what are the courses and anything was related to HR because I always wanted to be an HR. But I couldn't do, I didn't have an access to how the process goes on and what is needed to be an HR. Then I got to know the institute name for a person who is also a student of this iForBest and got selected.
They got selected, yes.
So after
and she is
that,
also like you, very humble and sincere student.
Yes.
And usually, it is already said that good people always get the good association.
Yes,
right?
yes,
So
absolutely.
you are good and you got the good
Yes,
association.
yes.
Great.
Then I came here. Then Rinku ma'am actually told me about everything that this is the thing you need to be an HR. These are the courses and everything. Then I enrolled. Obviously, I was very much excited to get through this. Then after a week, I got joined. I got your class. The first I came here, you made me so much comfortable and you gave me so much knowledge throughout my process. Everything I asked, everything I wanted to know, the small details from the recruitment process to the final acquisition.
Yeah, that I
everything.
know that. Time to time you always inquired me,
Yes,
always
sir.
ask me.
Yes,
And
sir.
this is the things make me also interesting too. Once students are taking interest and once you started to take interest now, so then teaching become more enjoyable.
Yes.
And this is really a great thing you are telling right that time to time you are very much specific about to know all things.
Yes,
This is a great
and
thing.
and the things which you pointed out on me, I even didn't knew that I have those qualities and everything. Thank you so much. Actually, you just processed me, you brushed me up, you did everything so I can be a good HR. In a correct way, means everything like from the knowledge to the personality you developed me. Yes, you did. So.
Thank you.
Thank
for
you so
your
much.
compliment. But I always tell you that I'm just the medium. I tell to my all students, I'm just the medium. Ultimately, you people are doing hard work. You people are taking that, and then after that implementing that, and ultimately your sincerity, your awareness, because you people are so much focused nowadays. All are so much focused now. They are very much focused. They are very much aware. Means always try to improve themselves, and that is the things you have. You also had. So and already you have that skill. Time to time you try to improve yourself. You take all things very seriously. But, you always inquired about your growth, about success. I remember that once you before interview also you shared a lot of your the things which going in your mind. What type of questions will come to those things sincerity ultimately give the success.
Yes.
And that happened here also with you. So certainly that we just give the direction. We gave the just the way, show the
You
way.
showed me the
but
path I
ultimately,
walked.
you have to walk there. Correct.
Yes,
correct.
thank then before I finished my, even before finishing my course, I think I was on my last class or something, I get a call from iForBest. Arpita Di called me and said there is an interview going on in an MNC company. Please go there. I'm forwarding your CV and go. I said, okay, obviously I will go. I went there. There was a huge number of people, as I earlier said. That's like 110 people were there. And there was 4 rounds of interviews, personal interview, then a group discussion, then asking about many things, means what I know about HR process, the recruitment process mainly, everything. Then I just went home after that. And on the next 3rd day, I got a call, you got shortlisted. I was on
Wow.
cloud 9 on that time because on my first interview, I cracked.
And out of 110.
Yes.
This is also one of your biggest achievement.
Yes,
Great,
I
great.
did.
Great.
So I was on cloud 9. That thing happened, and I shared with sir, I'm so much excited. I got that job and everything.
Yes.
So it was really an awesome process till now, and I am very much thankful to iForBest sir and the backend team of iForBest, everyone.
Yeah,
So
certainly,
much.
Priyanka. Wish you all the best for your future
Yes, sir.
endeavors.
Thank you.
Certainly, I know that you have to go to a long way. A number of success will come to you. And always, I do believe that once we do mutual work, then certainly success will come. Means one-sided. If I do work, you don't, then also success will not come. So I want to say to everybody that those who are following me, those who are here at present doing the study, to everyone that we have to do the mutual work. Means I'm also going to do work for you, and you people also have to work yourself. So then nobody can check. Certainly success will come. So thanks for you watching
you
your
so
experience
much.
with especially all of our team members, then colleagues, all our page followers. And now we have a big family.
Yeah.
Numbers of directly or indirectly thousands numbers of people are just following me and associated with us. So those all people will get benefited. And wish you all again happy Navratra. And with this success story, I am ending the session today. So wish you all best for all of you. And